Throughout history, humanity has uncovered objects that simply shouldn't exist. Artifacts so advanced, so mysterious, that they challenge everything we thought we knew about the past. Were they mistakes of history, or proof of knowledge far beyond their time? These are the top 10 ancient artifacts that defy all explanation thousands of years ago, long before modern tools existed. Someone carved a perfectly detailed stone model of a modern aircraft, known as the Saqqara bird. This small wooden carving was found in an ancient Egyptian tomb. Some say it's just a bird-shaped toy, but others believe it could be a model of an ancient flying machine, evidence that the ancients might have understood flight long before us. In 1900, divers near the Greek island of Antikythera discovered a strange, corroded lump of metal. When scientists examined it, they were stunned. Inside were bronze gears and intricate mechanisms, like the inner workings of a clock. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, a 2,000-year-old analog computer used to predict astronomical events with astonishing accuracy. How did ancient Greeks build something so advanced? Centuries before modern machinery existed. In a cave in South America, researchers discovered perfectly spherical stones scattered across the jungle floor, some weighing several tons. These are the stone spheres of Costa Rica. No one knows who made them, or why. Were they used for astronomy, navigation, or something ritualistic? Their precision is uncanny. Even today, we can barely replicate such perfection. In Baghdad, archaeologists unearthed a clay jar with copper and iron inside and traces of acid. When connected, it produces an electric current, known as the Baghdad Battery. This 2,000-year-old artifact suggests the ancients may have understood electricity long before modern times. But for what purpose? No one knows, perhaps for electroplating gold or some forgotten technology lost to history. In 1938, a Chinese archaeologist exploring the Antikythera Mountains found hundreds of stone discs with spiral carvings, each about a foot wide, with tiny grooves resembling writing. They became known as the Dropa Stones. Some say they tell the story of an alien race that crash-landed on Earth thousands of years ago. Others dismiss them as legend. But the symbols carved into the stones remain undeciphered. Deep beneath the ground in South Africa, miners discovered small metallic spheres embedded in rock layers over 2 billion years old. Perfectly balanced, with 3 engraved lines around their centers. They are called the Klerksdorp spheres. According to scientists, such precision shouldn't exist in nature, especially not at that age. Were they natural formations or evidence of an ancient intelligence beyond our understanding? In 1889, in Illinois, workers digging through coal discovered something astonishing: an iron pot embedded inside a 300-million-year-old lump of coal. It became known as the ancient coal pot mystery. If the dating is accurate, it means humans or someone was working metal long before humanity even existed. Mainstream science rejects it, but no one can fully explain it either. In 1936, Near Baghdad, an intricate golden sculpture of a bird was found in a tomb. It looked aerodynamic wings, tail, and design strikingly similar to a modern glider. Tests showed that, scaled properly, it could actually fly. It's now called the Egyptian Gold Glider. Another relic that seems to whisper ancient engineers may have known more about flight than we imagine. In Bolivia lies Puma Punku, part of the ancient Tiwanaku complex. Their massive stone blocks are cut with machine-like precision, perfect 90-degree angles, smooth surfaces, and drill holes that seem impossible for the tools of that time. How were they made? With what technology? Some believe it was the work of lost ancient engineers, or perhaps something otherworldly. And finally, the London hammer found in Texas, encased in rock believed to be over 100 million years old. The hammer's head is made of iron so pure it defies modern smelting methods. If it truly is that ancient, it rewrites everything we know about history. Artifacts like these remind us that the past is not as simple as we think. For every answer history gives, it hides 1,000 more questions. Were these objects mere coincidences, or evidence of forgotten civilizations, or even lost knowledge of impossible power? Perhaps, somewhere in the ruins of time, the truth still waits, waiting to be discovered.